Hey, it's Emily from WTA. Let me introduce you to the world of traditional yerba mate. To enjoy a yerba mate beverage traditionally, you're going to need a really nice mate. We love this one from the TheBmate store. This is a ceramic mate mug with a stainless steel rim and a leather encasing. You're also going to need to get a bombilla, which is a special mate straw. When my husband got interested in traditional yerba mate, we did so much research and watched so many videos. And what we ended up discovering was the enjoyment and relaxation of the ritual of creating traditional yerba mate. Maybe you are already a yerba mate expert, but if you're a newbie to traditional yerba mate the way that we were, what we learned is that you fill your mate mug about 2/3 of the way full with loose leaf yerba tea. There's a ritual about shaking it down to get the dust towards the top. You put a little bit of cool water in to steep it, and then you insert your bombilla and you start to add warm water. Now, what makes drinking traditional yerba mate so interesting is that you really are only putting in warm or hot water a little bit of the time, enjoying that sip, and then refilling. The practice of enjoying traditional yerba mate has really taught my husband and I to slow down and enjoy the process. Yerba mate is traditionally enjoyed as a shared drink, a sip and pass, if you will. If you are interested in learning all about the enjoyment of traditional yerba mate, I highly recommend the Yerba Mate Tools and Supplies by the TheBmate store. We are really enjoying this leather-covered mate mug, and I think you will too. But that's just my point of view.